Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing crochet. Everybody loves crochet. Now this is my contest winner. You guys have seen in my previous video what we did. We had deep conditioned her hair, trimmed her hair, and gave her a suppress. She came back for crochet. So this is me showing you how her hair can revert right back to being curly. There was no heat damage at all. So this is before we shampooed her hair. And I'm just going through to see how her hair took the heat. Now this is after shampoo. As you see, it went right back to its natural pattern. Again, there was no heat damage. Right now I am just combing through her hair, and I'm going to section her hair to get ready for blow drying. Now I'm blow drying until it's completely dry, 100% dry, and then we're going to move on into braiding the hair in cornrows. I am using LaFone Care Silk Cream to put on her hair before I start her braiding process. And that is to coat the hair. Make sure the hair is coated before you even start any type of braiding. You want her hair to be completely protected underneath this protective hairstyle.
Looking to get pretty, I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew. You'll be killing it either way, ain't nothing they can say. All eyes gon' be on you. Take a seat, getting my face beat up. Hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3.
The braid pattern depends on the type of look the client is looking for. Every crochet will not have the same braid pattern. I'm going to say that again. Every client that is getting a crochet done will not have the same braid pattern. Never, ever, ever. It might be similar, but it's never the same. You have to do the braid pattern according to what the client needs and wants.
Town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like. Feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty. I know you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do. Going out with your boo or with your crew. You'll be killing it either way, ain't nothing they can say. All eyes gon' be on you. Take a seat, getting my face beat up. Hair on fleek, whipping it to the beat. She can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me.
After the braids are done, you're going to take the ends of the braid, what is left over that is not in the cornrow, and you're going to crochet that into the cornrows. I never sew it down, I always crochet it in. So there is no needle and thread used in this hairstyle. As you see, the crochet is very easy. You're using your crochet needle, just stick it through the braid, latch hook the crochet hair, pull it through, and then loop it around and lock it in. That's all you're doing. You're going to do that throughout the whole head.
To the beat, she can make you feel way up. 1, 2, 3. Mirror pleaser. In love with the new me, from cutie to true beauty. I'm about to do it.
Once you finish her part, you'll go back in and you'll add more hair in certain areas that needs to be in certain areas. From the beginning, when you first start, please do not load the hair with a bunch of crochet hair. Don't load the head with a bunch of crochet hair. Please don't do it. It will make it too big and too full, and your client will not like it at all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get touched.